A lot of projects in the garage got the air really dirty, full of sawdust, and I figured it was time that I made my shop air cleaner. I found this fan and motor assembly at a garage sale. I believe it came out of a heater of some type, but I got it with this particular project in mind. You may recognize the wood that I'm using to build this box with. It's what I made the frame for the seashell clocks last year. My box being made mostly of melamine, I couldn't really screw it together like you can plywood, so I ripped a 2x4 and used 2x2 cleats to fasten my pieces together with. Didn't have quite enough wood to finish this project, so the top and a few of the other pieces you'll see came from the shipping carton from the lathe that I got. For the front piece, I needed to cut around where the air comes out from the fan, so I made it just big enough to go around the lips on the fan. This fan had been through quite a lot, so it took a little bit of persuading to square it back up, but it fit. I added a brace or two in it to hold the filter in place. The filter that I'm using for this is the same size as what the house uses, so we change the filter every month in the house, so I have a small supply, so that should work pretty good in the shop. I had a set of caster wheels from some project in the past, so this was the perfect thing to use them up on. Now I can push this around wherever it's needed in the shop. So I always wanted to make one of these. I had the need for it now, so now I have it. May not be pretty, but it's good enough for me. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. We'd appreciate it. See you next time.